Yo, what's up, guys? What's up? What's up? Mikey Guitar is here with another episode of lesson. Okay. So I want to say Happy New Month to you all, and a Happy Christmas in advance. A Happy Christmas in advance. Okay. So I really appreciate your effort. I want to thank you for always subscribing, always commenting, and thank you for your likes. I say thank you very much. I appreciate it. Okay, so for today, I just want to give you some tips and I want to enable you. Okay, I want to give you some guidelines. Should I say guidelines or some ways how to improvise well in your soloing, okay? Some secret you need to know that will help you, okay? So, if it's the first time you're watching my video, I would like you please to subscribe on the subscribe button, hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my video each and anytime I post a new video, okay guys? If you like this video, you can smash the like button, okay? If you have any challenges, drop it on the comment section below. Then I'll give you the answer, okay? Thank you guys for watching. So for today, I don't want to waste your time, okay? I just want to go straight into the, to the lesson. And like I told you, I just want to give you some secret that will help you grow your soloing, that will help you in your improvisations, okay? Like most time, if you play praise in church or your worship section and every kind of music, okay, one of some of the tips that gives you good improvisation is number one you need to know is at first you need to understand your keys positions in your guitar fretboard, okay? You need to understand your keys position in your guitar fretboard. Like for instance, if I'm playing the key of C, okay, excuse me. For instance, if I'm playing the key of C, you run your scale, okay, this option you have, or this position here, you have your key of C here. From here you can have your key of C again. Okay, you have your C here again. Okay. And you have your C again on the second string here. Okay. And from here you can go up again. Okay. From here you have your C again. Understand? So from here you can start your scale again. Okay, you can have your scale here again. Okay. Okay. So what am I trying to say is, when you understand your note positions or keys position, you understand, like this C now, you understand you have C again, you have C here, you understand the root, each of the roots, okay? Then now you can now improvise in a given song or any given song, okay? You can now improvise very well. Like if for instance I was maybe playing my chord here. Five chord, your last 6 chord, Fa, that's your Like if you want to solo something like that, okay, maybe you might not really want to solo it over here, or you can start from soloing over here. Okay, going to your sixth chord now, which is the La. So you understand now because of this is a Do. Okay, you are coming to this place now. So you have that same La over here too. Okay, but you play it backward, or you play it horizontal. So that's one of the things you need to learn, how to run your scale horizontal. So like something like this, if you have your C, for instance, this is your C. Okay, you run it from here again. Okay. Okay. So you just keep running it like that horizontal. Understand? That's one of the things that will enable you to, whenever you want to improvise, you can have a good soloing, you can have a nice improvisation. Okay. So the second thing I like to show you is, most important, your slot. Okay, your slot. We call it slotting or pullover. Okay, something like this, and okay, something like that. Okay, you need to know all those things. You need to work hard so that you can know how to play those pullover. Understand? You need to work hard so that your fingers can get used to that. Okay, all this slide, and most time when you want to slide, likely use the middle finger or the ring finger. Okay, something like. Okay. I'm using the ring finger. Okay, something like that. Okay. So all those sliding and all those sliding gives you good improvisation. Okay. The truth is, there's no secret of how to solo. There's no secret. I'm just giving you some guidelines, okay? Or the secret guidelines you need to, apply so that you can have a perfect solo. Because most times solo you come through inspirations. Okay, the way you are inspired. Now, the way you are inspired will guarantee what you know. Okay, what you know is what will boost your inspiration to give you a perfect solo, to give you a perfect improvisations. Okay, so just work on what I just showed you now, what I just teach you now, and you'll see yourself improving in improvisation. Okay, so if you have any challenges, anything you don't understand, drop it in the comment section below and I'll give you the answer. Okay, so once again, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my videos each and every time I post it. Okay, thank you once again. Bye.